Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send a fax with Outlook. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Outlook desktop app and click New Email at the top left corner. This will open a blank email window. In the To field, instead of typing a regular email address, type the recipient's fax number followed by erosefaxsend.com. This special domain converts your email into a fax automatically. Next, type your subject line to briefly describe the document you're sending. This helps the recipient know what to expect. After that, click Attach File and select the document you want to fax. Make sure it's in the correct format and contains only the pages you intend to send. Once everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will transmit your email as a fax through the eFax service, sending it directly to the recipient's fax machine. So that's basically how you can send a fax with Outlook. That's it for this video. Thanks.